Hi folks, so we're here at the El Pardo Doubletree by Hilton Hotel in Lima, Peru, and it's National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day. I'm here with the Akiko. It's a local good luck charm, good luck doll. We're heading out onto the streets to share the chocolate chip cookie love with the residents of Lima. So this is Mariana. He's the executive chef here at the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel in Lima, and I've been told that these cookies here in Peru are the best in the world. Can you tell us any secrets about the recipe?
Well, actually, I can't. But the best thing of this is that are fresh all days. That's it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
We're about to go and hand these out to the local community. We hope you don't cause a riot.
I can feel it, I can feel it,
So we just ate about 200 cookies in about 10 minutes, and now it's time to enjoy one for myself.